Have you ever imagined that a simple household item, like salt, could change your life? Today, we're diving into the hidden power of salt, how it can shift the energy in your environment to attract wealth, protection, and harmony. So many of us struggle with financial stress, emotional burdens, or negative energy at home, unknowingly blocking our own growth. But what if the key to unlocking abundance and peace was already sitting in your kitchen? Picture this. You wake up one morning and something feels different. The air in your home is lighter. You feel calm, centered, and opportunities seem to find their way to you effortlessly. Imagine this flow of positive energy, bringing wealth, peace, and success into every corner of your life. All it takes is a little awareness and some simple rituals. Salt has been a secret tool for centuries, used by cultures around the world to cleanse spaces and invite good fortune. And today, we'll reveal exactly how you can use it to transform the energy in your home. Whether you're looking for financial prosperity, peace of mind, or simply a sense of balance, salt has the power to help you get there. We'll explore how placing salt in just the right spots around your home can create instant change. These small shifts in your environment can open doors you didn't even know were closed. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips to enhance your surroundings and unlock the flow of abundance in your life. Ready to begin? Let's dive in and start this journey toward a space filled with wealth, protection, and positive energy. Salt has been used for centuries in spiritual practices across the globe, valued for its remarkable ability to cleanse, purify, and protect. From the serene Buddhist monasteries nestled in the mountains to the rituals of ancient shamans in distant lands, salt has always been regarded as a powerful element. It carries a unique energy, acting as both a shield against negativity and a magnet for positive vibrations. But what exactly makes salt so effective? Throughout history, salt has symbolized purity, standing as a barrier between the physical world and unseen forces that could disrupt peace. In many cultures, sprinkling salt or placing it in key areas was believed to neutralize negative energy lingering in the air. It wasn't just superstition. It was ancient wisdom passed down through generations, helping people align their spaces with harmony and balance. The practical benefits of salt go hand in hand with its spiritual significance. Salt absorbs the negativity around it, whether it's stress, tension, or energy blockages that prevent the natural flow of abundance. Once these obstacles are cleared, positive energy can circulate freely, creating a space that invites prosperity and well-being. Salt doesn't just sit there passively. It works continuously, purifying and balancing the energy wherever it is placed. Take this story, for example. In a small, remote village, a humble farmer struggled with poor health and failing crops. Life seemed like an uphill battle, and he felt stuck, without hope. Desperate for a solution, he sought the guidance of a wise monk who lived nearby. The monk didn't suggest anything grand or complicated. Instead, he offered the simplest advice. Place a small bowl of salt by the entrance of your home. At first, the farmer was skeptical. Could something as ordinary as salt really make a difference? But with nothing to lose, he followed the monk's advice. Day by day, the energy in his home began to shift. His crops flourished, bringing in the best harvest he had seen in years. His health improved, and with it came new opportunities that lifted his financial burdens. What had seemed impossible before now felt within reach. It wasn't just the salt that changed things. It was his belief in the process, his willingness to embrace the small ritual with intention. That simple bowl of salt became a powerful tool, not because it was magical on its own, but because it aligned his space and energy with his desires. This story teaches us a profound lesson. Sometimes, it's the smallest actions, done with belief and purpose, that create the most significant transformations. By placing salt in strategic places, you're not just engaging in a tradition, you're actively setting the stage for positive energy, peace, and prosperity to flow into your life. Salt is more than just a mineral. It's a reminder of the power we have to shape our reality. Through mindful actions and a willingness to trust the process, we can cleanse our spaces and invite abundance into every corner of our lives. Each part of your home carries energy, influencing everything from your well-being to your success. The way energy flows in your environment can shape your mood, opportunities, and even relationships. Let's take a closer look at 10 strategic places where a simple tool like salt can have a powerful effect, shifting the atmosphere to attract positivity, wealth, and protection. Start with the corners of rooms. Corners tend to accumulate stagnant energy over time, creating invisible blocks in your space. By sprinkling salt into these areas, you can break up those stuck energies and open a clear path for positive energy to flow freely. It's a small but effective step toward making your home feel lighter and more welcoming. Next is the front entrance, one of the most important spaces for energy flow. This is the first point where outside energy meets your personal sanctuary. Placing a bowl of salt near the entrance acts as a filter, preventing negative energy from entering and inviting wealth, success, and good vibes. Every time someone walks through the door, it ensures only positive energy accompanies them inside. In the living spaces, where you spend time with family and friends, placing salt near common areas such as sofas or coffee tables can block negativity. This creates an atmosphere where peaceful conversations and joyful moments can flourish, making these spaces more harmonious for everyone. Now let's move to your workspace. Whether you work from home or in an office, stress and mental clutter often accumulate around your desk. By adding a small dish of salt, you can clear the invisible blockages that hinder creativity and focus. The salt works to absorb negative vibrations, ensuring that your mind stays sharp and aligned with productivity throughout the day. Even your wallet or purse can benefit from this practice. Carrying a pinch of salt with you serves as a personal talisman, protecting your finances and attracting new opportunities for wealth. It's like a small reminder that your energy around money is protected and aligned with prosperity. In the kitchen, where meals are prepared with care and intention, placing salt in the corners can enhance the positive energy that nourishes your household. It ensures that your food is not just physically nourishing, but also energetically uplifting. When the energy in your kitchen is clear, it helps foster creativity and joy in preparing meals. The bathroom is another important space. It's where we cleanse ourselves physically and release emotional stress. Placing a small bowl of salt on the bathroom counter can turn this space into a sanctuary for renewal. The salt absorbs lingering negativity, making it easier to feel refreshed and restored after every shower or bath. Underneath your doormat is a discreet but powerful location for salt. This placement acts as a subtle guardian, ensuring that only peaceful and harmonious energy enters your home. It serves as an invisible shield, filtering out conflict or negativity before it can cross your threshold. Your car is another place where energy matters. Whether you're driving to work or running errands, keeping a small container of salt in the glove compartment or center console can protect you from stress, frustration, and road rage. It ensures that every journey, no matter how small, is smooth and filled with positive energy. Finally, let's talk about your shoes. Adding a pinch of salt inside your shoes may sound unusual, but it can ground you with positive energy throughout the day. As you walk, the salt helps neutralize any negative energies you encounter, ensuring that you remain centered and protected no matter where your path leads. Each of these placements offers a simple yet profound way to enhance your surroundings. With a little intention, salt becomes a powerful tool for transformation. It's not just about following rituals, it's about actively shaping the energy that flows in and around your life. When done consistently, these practices can bring noticeable changes, creating a space where wealth, protection, and harmony thrive. Adding personal stories brings these rituals to life, making them relatable and powerful. Let's explore 3 real-world examples where small, mindful rituals involving salt created profound transformations in people's lives. Our first story takes us to the countryside, where a humble farmer faced constant struggles. His crops withered, his livestock fell ill, and he could barely make ends meet. Desperate for change, the farmer sought the advice of a local monk known for his wisdom. The monk's advice was simple: place a bowl of salt by the entrance of your home. At first, the farmer doubted such a small act could change anything, but he decided to give it a try, placing the salt with intention, hoping for a shift. In the following weeks, the energy in his home began to feel lighter. His crops started to thrive, and his health improved. Soon, financial relief followed, and opportunities that once seemed impossible began to appear. The farmer's life changed not just because of the salt, but because he believed in the process and embraced the power of small, intentional actions. Our next story focuses on a working professional, a lawyer battling career burnout. The stress of her job had drained her energy and creativity, leaving her feeling disconnected from her purpose. In search of clarity, she heard about the benefits of placing salt in her workspace. Although skeptical, she decided to give it a try. She placed a small dish of salt on her desk, setting an intention for focus and success. Almost immediately, she noticed a shift. Her thoughts became clearer, and she felt a renewed sense of motivation. Within weeks, she completed a major project she had been struggling with, and soon after, landed a high-profile client. What changed wasn't just the work environment, but her energy, cleansed and aligned with productivity and success. Our final story follows a traveling entrepreneur who was constantly on the go. Long drives, flights, and back-to-back meetings left him feeling drained and scattered. Frustrated by the lack of balance in his life, he discovered a ritual of keeping a sachet of salt in his car. He added the salt with the intention of maintaining peace and focus during his travels. Over time, he noticed a remarkable difference. Traffic no longer frustrated him, meetings felt more productive, and his journeys became smoother. The salt, though small, acted as a powerful tool, helping him stay centered and protected from the stress of constant travel. It served as a reminder that even on the busiest days, inner peace and focus were within his reach. These stories demonstrate that the power of these rituals lies not just in the actions themselves, but in the belief and intention behind them. A bowl of salt at the door, a dish on the desk, or a sachet in the car. These are simple gestures, yet they create profound shifts. It's not always grand actions that change our lives. Sometimes, the smallest, most mindful practices bring the greatest rewards. Through belief and intentional rituals, we align our energy with our desires and open the door to transformation. Let's explore how you can seamlessly integrate the power of salt into your daily routine to unlock its full potential. This isn't just about rituals. It's about aligning your energy and intentions with what you want to manifest in life, whether that's financial success, protection, health, or inner peace. When you take even the smallest action with intention, you send a clear signal to the universe about your desires. One of the first steps is setting intentions. Before placing salt in any area, take a moment to focus on what you wish to attract. Hold the salt in your hand and visualize your desires clearly. Whether you're hoping for financial abundance, peace within your home, or protection from negative energy, infuse that intention into the salt. The energy of your thoughts and emotions flows into it, amplifying the impact of this simple element. Next is the importance of renewing the salt. Salt works continuously, absorbing negativity from the space it inhabits. Over time, it becomes saturated and loses its ability to attract positive energy. That's why it's crucial to replace the old salt regularly, ensuring that the energy in your environment stays fresh and aligned with your goals. Each time you renew the salt, you're not only cleansing your space, but also reinforcing your intentions. Think of it as an energetic reset, similar to how we declutter our homes or refresh our minds. Now, let's talk about how simple actions can carry immense power. You don't need elaborate rituals to see results. What matters most is the belief and purpose behind each act. When done mindfully, even the smallest gestures can unlock significant changes. For example, Adding a pinch of salt to your shoes may seem trivial, but it holds deep significance. Each time you step out, you carry the energy of your intention with you, whether it's confidence, peace, or strength. The salt serves as a grounding force, helping you stay centered throughout your day, no matter what challenges come your way. Imagine walking into a stressful meeting or navigating a difficult situation, knowing that with each step, you are grounded and protected by the energy you've cultivated. This small but powerful ritual reinforces your stability and clarity, ensuring that you remain aligned with your highest goals. These practices are not just about cleansing spaces, they are about consciously shaping the energy that surrounds you. Every time you set an intention, place salt, or renew it, you are taking control of your environment and aligning it with your desires. Your actions, no matter how small, reflect the kind of life you wish to create. Through these mindful rituals, you invite abundance, protection, and peace to flow effortlessly into your reality. Your surroundings mirror the state of your mind. When your space is cluttered with stagnant or negative energy, it becomes harder to welcome new opportunities and positive experiences into your life. Cleansing your environment with salt is like hitting a reset button, not only clearing what no longer serves you, but also creating room for abundance, peace, and prosperity to flow freely. This simple act invites new possibilities, giving you the chance to align your space with your intentions. Take the challenge today. Begin placing salt in key areas of your home and observe the transformation that follows. You'll notice small but meaningful shifts. Your mood may improve, financial opportunities might begin to appear, and your space will feel lighter and more inviting. It's incredible how these minor adjustments can have a profound impact on your life. When you consciously take control of the energy in your surroundings, you set the stage for remarkable things to happen. The beauty of these practices lies in their simplicity. It's not about grand gestures, but intentional, mindful actions. Each time you sprinkle salt with purpose, you're telling the universe that you are ready to welcome positive change. Every small step matters, and with consistency, these shifts accumulate, creating a ripple effect throughout your life. The energy you nurture in your environment becomes the foundation of your reality. If you cultivate peace, harmony, and prosperity in your surroundings, your life will reflect those qualities. Salt is a powerful ally in this journey, a subtle but constant reminder that you have the ability to shape your reality. With every grain of salt you place, you make a conscious decision to invite positivity and abundance into your life. These simple rituals serve as a bridge between your intentions and the life you wish to create. It's time to reclaim your space, renew the energy around you, and align it with your deepest desires. Remember, the energy you foster today will define the reality you experience tomorrow. Take ownership of your surroundings and use salt as a tool to build the life you truly want, a life filled with wealth, protection, peace, and endless possibilities.